You're thinking about getting a ceramic coating for your vehicle, but you're not sure if it's actually worth it or even right for you and your car. This video will help you decide. I'm Dan, I'm the owner of Precision Auto Aesthetics, and ceramic coatings can be a fantastic option, but only if it's the right fit for how you use and maintain your car. And in this video, I'm going to help you figure out if a ceramic coating is the right choice for you or if something else may be a better fit. So ceramic coatings are a liquid polymer that's applied to the vehicle's paint or any other surface of the exterior of your vehicle. And it chemically bonds to the surface and it creates like this hydrophobic layer similar to like a wax or paint sealant. It helps protect against UV rays, bug guts, bird droppings, things like that. Any kind of chemical etching that can occur on the paint surface or any surface of your vehicle. Unlike a wax or sealant that doesn't last as long, with regular maintenance, a ceramic coating can actually last for years. So if you're not washing your car regularly, or if you're not even applying a wax or sealant on a regular basis, or you take the vehicle through a drive-through car wash all the time, ceramic coatings might not be a good option for you. You're going to miss out on a lot of the benefits, a lot of the performance that you get out of a ceramic coating. If you're expecting a completely maintenance-free experience, while it does make washing your car easier, it does seem to stay cleaner longer, it doesn't mean you're never going to have to wash the car again. You still need to wash your vehicle on a regular basis. If you're expecting this to be some bulletproof option, it's not a miracle product. It's not going to protect your vehicle from everything and anything that's out there that can damage the vehicle. So if you want that beyond showroom shine that we're always talking about for the long term, and you're already washing your vehicle regularly, you're applying a wax or sealant on a regular basis, ceramic coatings might be a great option for you. If you're a new car owner and you want to preserve the look of that vehicle and preserve the appearance from the start, or you want to eliminate the time spent maintaining that beautiful shine and rather be enjoying your vehicle, ceramic coatings will probably be a great option for you. While it's not essential for every vehicle, a ceramic coating can really save a lot of time, effort, and money over the long haul, especially if you're serious about keeping your vehicle's paint and the appearance in general in top condition. And if you're wondering what a ceramic coating might cost, I've got a video that breaks it all down, including the effects, what affects the pricing up and down, and what to expect. So you can check out that video right here. Thanks for watching. And remember, this service isn't for everyone, but if it's the right fit for you and your vehicle, it can be one of the best investments you'll make in your vehicle's long-term appearance and value. And as always, don't forget to clean, protect, maintain. I'll talk to you soon.